We can have a look on the best portable pizza ovens here. Ideal for camping, tailgating or for your backyard and patio. Ooni Coda 16 Outdoor Pizza Oven is the largest and best among the portable pizza ovens from Ooni. The propane gas fueling makes Ooni Coda 16 ideal for transportation for your outdoor parties. Ooni Pro Outdoor Pizza Oven works on a multi-fuel system, means you can use either gas, wood, or even charcoal to get the perfect heat on your oven. This is the highlight of Ooni Pro, makes it perfect for outdoor portable use. Bratello Napoli is another portable pizza oven that uses wood, charcoal, pellets or gas for outdoor cooking. This is one of the best outdoor pizza ovens, which is compact, sturdy and has a stylish design. When you need the perfect pizza which is wood-fired and stone-baked, go for Ooni Karu wood-fired outdoor portable pizza oven. Ooni Karu weighs only 12 kilograms. That itself makes it portable and more comfortable while transporting. The heat retention properties and the patented flame keeper make it ready for pizza making in 15 minutes time. Ooni Fira is one of the best portable wood-fired pizza ovens, which is the successor model of Ooni 3 outdoor pizza oven. Ooni Fira is the best option for everyone who wants to try pizza making, as it only uses wood pellets, no gas or charcoal for fueling. The highlight of Ooni Fira portable pizza oven is that it costs only 10 kilograms, so that you can carry easily for camping or tailgating events. Ooni Coda Pizza Oven is one of the best portable pizza ovens that run on propane gas tanks. Ooni Coda is easy to carry, assemble and set up, which makes it the best portable oven for camping or tailgating. With its instant gas ignition and Cordierite baking stone, you can cook Neapolitan-style pizzas in just 60 seconds. Preheat time is 15 minutes to reach temperature up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Read full review on the best pizza oven here at bestportablesonline.com/bestportablepizzaoven/